Let me go with the problem number 19. Fine, yeah. There are around 24 Laddoos in 1 kg. How many Laddoos will be there in 8 kg? This is what first we need to find out. And if 16 Laddoos can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all the Laddoos, right? How many Laddoos are there in 1 kg? So in 1 kg, there are around 24 Laddoos, right? For 8 kg, how many Laddoos? This and this you need to multiply, that is 8 into 24. 8 4s are 32, 2, 3 carry, it is a 16 plus 3, 90. See, 192 Laddoos will be there in 8 kgs. 192 Laddoos are there in 1 kg, in 8 kgs. In 8 kgs. Now, the second question here. In this case, what happens? If 16 Laddoos can be packed in one box, how many boxes required? 16 Laddoos in one box. One box. Right. See, 192 Laddoos in how many boxes? So this you have to divide. That's it. So 192 divided by 16. Now divide it. Let me divide by 4 only. So 4 4s are, right? 4 4s are 4, 6 are 4 4s are, right? 16, 3 carry, that is 4 8s. Now again 48 divided by 4, 4 1s are, right? Then 4 1s are 4 2s are 12. So we required around 12 boxes. This is the answer.